Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Monday.com for nonprofit organizations. Monday.com is an incredibly powerful platform that can help your nonprofit stay organized, manage projects efficiently, and collaborate with your team, no matter the size of your organization. To get started, you can access Monday.com in two simple ways. You can either use the web version by going to your browser, or you can download the mobile app from your device's app store. Once everything is installed, head to your search bar and type in www.monday.com, and the platform will guide you through a quick setup process. After that, you'll be redirected to your homepage, just like the one you see here. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice a plus button. This is where you can create anything new within your workspace. Go ahead and click on it. When you open the menu, you'll see several options, such as New Project, New Portfolio, New Board, New Docs, New Dashboard, and even templates you can import. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on creating a new board, since that's the foundation of managing projects as a nonprofit. Click on New Board and you'll be asked to name your board. Let's call this one Nonprofit Project Management, a perfect board title for tracking your campaigns, events, tasks, donations, or any project your organization handles. Below the board name, you'll see options for privacy settings. You can choose whether you want your board to be private or public. Private boards are visible only to selected members, while public boards can be seen by your entire workspace. Choose whichever option fits your organization's needs. You'll also see a drop-down that allows you to select what your board will manage, such as employees, leads, creative work, budgets, campaigns, or projects. For nonprofits, projects or campaigns often work best. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Board, and your board will be ready. Now that your board is created, it's time to customize your columns. You can add important columns like project name, goals, tasks, deadlines, stakeholders, status, and more. Just click the plus icon next to your columns and select the type of column you want to add. This customization helps you build a workflow that fits your nonprofit perfectly. Next, add cards for each of your projects. Each card can include project objectives, budgets, resources needed, important notes, and assigned team members. This makes everything clear, organized, and easy to track. Make sure your status column is properly set up as well. This allows you to monitor the progress of each task, whether it's working on it, stuck, or done. Clear status updates help your whole team stay aligned. To collaborate effectively, you can also invite team members to your board. Look towards the top right corner and you'll see an invite option. Click on it to add your admins, volunteers, staff, or anyone else who needs to be part of the project. Simply enter their email and they'll receive an invite to join your board immediately. You'll also notice a notifications panel above your workspace. This is a helpful feature that alerts you whenever someone updates a task, adds a comment, or makes changes on the board, helping your whole team stay connected. And that's it. This is exactly how you can use Monday.com for nonprofit management, helping you streamline workflows, improve communication, and stay organized across all your projects. I hope you found this tutorial valuable. If you did, feel free to leave a comment or ask a question. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.